What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I'll go over the news that just came out on Sologenic and another token, but that's something for when we take a look at it. And I'll also do a quick price prediction and price analysis. So I think it's better to start with the news. So the first point is that Sologenic will come on Binance and another exchange, if I can find it. Bithump, I believe. Like maybe I can look it up. No, well, that's shit. But I saw that they also got listed on another exchange. Well, I want to clarify that a little bit. They aren't listed on Binance yet, but Binance will support the snapshot and the airdrop of Solo. So in my opinion, that could only mean that they will get listed on Binance. And to be honest, when they get listed on Binance, that would be great. I actually think this is very good news. And then we haven't even gotten to the biggest part yet. At least Sologenic thinks it's the biggest part. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, this was my previous analysis, was quite right. It found resistance a little bit higher than I thought, so more like this. And then it didn't really drop down as I thought it would. Yeah, so yeah, it was a little bit more bullish than I thought, so I wasn't completely right. But eventually we did touch this resistance level here, the 19th of December, and from there drop down. So it's also time for a new analysis, but when it really gets listed on Binance, guys, it kind of depends on where the price is then. I mean, it might be after the snapshot, so it also depends on the price actions after the snapshot and the airdrop. But we could definitely see a move up until 8.0, man, even 8.5. And I know there are a lot of Sologenic holders that say that 8.0 is easy and will go to 12. I mean, I hope you're right for your sake. I just have to be realistic and a little bit conservative as well. I mean, at the end, it's a crypto market and everything's possible. So I'm not saying you're wrong. I just think that 8.0, from where we are right now, that would be 100% gain. It's not nothing, guys. So that would also mean 700 or 800 million more pumped into Sologenic, which is possible, as I said, but still, I think 8.0 is a more realistic price target for when it gets listed on Binance. And then the other news was that they release a new coin, and this Corium, it's called. I think it's the core token. Yeah, core token, which you can only earn if you hold Solo. So there will be another airdrop between the 21st and the 31st. No, the 24th and the 31st. So the end of the year. And that's the only way you can get the core token. So if you hold Solo, you probably have to do some other things. You research that, please. But yeah, that's quite interesting. So the core token will be used on the Sologenic platform to kind of support it and to support the tokenization which is happening on Sologenic. I did take a look at the core token, but to be honest with these things, it looks good. It definitely looks good, but I always wait on what they actually deliver. I mean, you can make nice graphs comparing yourself with other cryptos and saying that Ethereum has 8 transactions per second. That's fine, but you also know that that's not true with second layer scaling and stuff. So I'm not quite sure. It seems to be well thought over, so I would not necessarily be bearish, but I'm always kind of skeptical on these things because there are a lot of cryptos and blockchains because Corium is the layer 1 blockchain actually. You know, with a lot of promises, but at the end it's about what you deliver. So I'm definitely not bearish on it. I think it's great. I think it's great that they have another token supporting Solo and that the whole Solo community shifts over to this token as well. I think that's great, but still I need to see what happens with it first to really assess what it will do. So yeah, that's that. Let's dive into a quick price analysis now. So as I said, The Binance could take it to 8.0. The snapshot, I'm actually not sure what is going to happen, because to be honest, the whole airdrop, it does not really get more people into it might get more people into Sologenic, but that will only be up until the point of the airdrop. After that, the Solo tokens will just be distributed. They are already minted, so that will do nothing with the price. But yeah, so we could see a little rally. So something like, if we go from here, 3.83, we could see another rally up until this level. But I don't think this will break. I mean, there's a possibility, obviously. There is a possibility, guys. To be honest, I think it's 50-50 that we break, but we would really need to break to 7.5 and then take a break retest off of it, and then go to anywhere between 8.0 and 8.5. If the Binance listing comes out as well, then that would be great. Then this is very likely to happen. If it doesn't, I mean, we just have to see what this airdrop will do, guys. I'm not really sure what it will do, to be honest. I don't see how after the airdrop it will make the price grow more. I mean, the airdrop is only distributed to people who really set up the trust line and stuff, so they are already into Solo. But I will be interested in it. I mean, I'm not necessarily an expert on airdrops, and I did not really see a lot of airdrops while analyzing charts. So I could be surprised. Just keep it into consideration, both of these scenarios. I do think that from where we are right now, we're going up. As you can see, we're kind of in this consolidation, hit the lower bound of consolidation, and it's looking bullish. So that's kind of short term. But yeah, that's it, basically my full analysis on Sologenic, also with the news coming out. And yeah, as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.